Hi guys, Rakshanda here. In today's video, I will share some skincare secret which I usually do. Today, I will share how I clean my skin the Korean way using natural ingredients. I will do it in 3 steps. So let's start. First, oil cleaning. For that, I will take 1 tablespoon coconut oil, and half tablespoon water and mix them well. Now I will clean my skin with this mixture. My skin is dry combination kind, but if you have oily skin, you can also use it because Korean girls with oily skin types also use this method. I will massage my skin for about 1 minute like this. Now I will give my face and neck a hot towel treatment. For this I have taken hot water in this bowl, drenched a towel and keeping it on my face like this. Be sure that the towel you are using is not too hot. Using a hot towel on your facial skin opens the pores, softens the skin and allows skin treatment to penetrate the skin with ease. Keep it on for just a few seconds. Now wipe out the oil from your skin with this towel. Now my face is clean and I will keep a cold towel treatment on my face to minimize my open pores. This treatment feels soothing on the skin. I love it. Now I will exfoliate my skin. For this, I will make a homemade scrub. I have prepared it with 1 tablespoon rice powder. You can make it with grinding raw rice. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix them well. And then I will add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix them well. Rice has always been used for beauty treatments. Is well known for softening the skin, hydrate and relieve inflammations. Honey have many antioxidant and yogurt a good moisturizing ingredient. Both of these ingredients refresh your dry skin and make your face shine and glow. If you have oily skin, you can add pinch of baking soda and a teaspoon of honey. This is great for acne prone skin. I will massage my skin with gentle strokes in circular motion like this. You have to enjoy this massage. It will give a great effect to your skin. Trust me. Third step, face pack. Now I will apply a face pack on my skin. For this, I have taken a bag of green tea. I have put hot water in this bowl and dipped a bag of green tea. Let it dip for 3-4 minutes. After that, I have mixed 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1-2 tablespoons green tea water, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in it. And mix them well. Green tea is one of the healthiest ingredients for skin, and mixing it with rice flour for skin whitening will give great and successful result. Now I will apply the mixture on my face. I will apply this pack on my neck also and leave it to dry for 10-15 minutes. I'm done. I'm feeling so relaxed and refreshed. My skin feels so soft and smooth. I'm spraying some rose water on my face. Now I will apply a moisturizer and a sunblock cream on my face, and I'm done. Wow, I'm feeling extremely refreshed and my skin feels rejuvenated, soft and radiant and glowing. Trust me, it really works. Hope you got to learn something today. Thanks for watching. Bye.